Hola, welcome to Costa Rica. Pura vida. I know I haven't made any videos in a long time. I've had a lot of personal things going on, but we're here now for the next 3 months and I got plenty of time. I want to share my experiences with you guys and plenty of videos coming your way. So if you want to see anything about Costa Rica, make sure to leave some info in the comments and I'll get around to it and we'll make some great videos for you guys. In this video, I just kind of want to share my experiences from the first week we've been here. We did a little bit of a quad trip ride. Just recently purchased a drone as well and got my first experiences flying around with the DJI Mini 2. Plan on making a video more in detail about just the drone itself in the future. And also if you are interested in the quad rides yourself and you're in the area, comment below or send me a message and I'll make sure to get you in touch with the people that are organizing it. But for now, let's go.